Text marketing is a powerful tool to extend your reach, generate interest, and drive more revenue for your business. But before you send your first campaign, there are a few legal considerations specific to texting that you should be aware of. Hey, I'm Isaiah Rendorio with Podium. In this video, I'll give you some tips and tricks for text marketing compliance that we've learned from thousands of local businesses just like yours. Let's talk shop.
3, 2, 1.
Keep in mind that this is not legal advice, and you should always consult with your own legal counsel before sending out any marketing messages. Let's start by getting familiar with some of the rules and regulations that govern text marketing, so you can get started quickly and compliantly. To stay compliant in the US, you have to follow federal laws and regulations such as the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or TCPA, and D&C rules, as well as state regulations governing text messaging. The TCPA was put in place to protect consumers from spam, and that includes both unwanted calls and text messages. Other countries like Australia and Canada have created similar protections. These laws generally require organizations to collect prior express written consent before sending out any promotional text messages. Let's go ahead and translate that legal jargon into more human terms. Express written consent is when a customer explicitly opts in to receive promotional text messages, and that opt-in is documented either physically or digitally in writing. And a text message is considered promotional in nature if it is for the purpose of advertising the availability of products and services or encouraging recipients to make a purchase. Noncompliance, or failing to capture prior written consent, qualifies as spamming, which is a poor practice and can carry serious repercussions. For one thing, not only is there the potential to damage customer relationships and trust, but violations can also result in fines. In the US, fines under the TCPA can equate to up to $1,500 per text message. You should also know that text campaigns above a 3% unsubscribe rate can put your textable phone number at risk with carriers. So again, it's extremely crucial that you only message contacts who have opted in to receive promotional texts. While there are some specific guidelines to follow, text marketing in a compliant way doesn't need to be complicated or make you afraid to make the leap. Tip number 1, build a list of text marketing subscribers. This is a database documenting all of your customers who provided you express written permission to market to them. And while this might seem like a daunting task, fortunately, there are many ways to capture promotional opt-ins that are natural and even expected. I'll dive deeper into this topic in another video. Tip number 2, identify yourself and your business. After collecting those opt-ins, make sure to identify yourself and your business when marketing over text. This is a great way to let people know that they're hearing from a person and a business they trust versus some automated system or unknown entity. Tip number 3, alert your customers about possible messaging fees. The next thing to remember is to notify your customers about possible messaging fees. This should be communicated at the point of opt-in before sending them your first message. Tip number 4, include the option to opt out of all future texts. Just as important as collecting that initial consent, you will also want to provide customers an easy way to opt out of future promotional messages. And this best practice actually falls hand in hand with our final tip, honor opt-outs. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Keeping your text marketable list up to date seems unwieldy and to many, a huge time sink. Fortunately, there are a number of tools out there that automate this whole process for you and make managing those opt-ins and opt-outs a breeze. You don't need to be a lawyer to do text marketing in a compliant way. You just need to know what to watch out for and make sure that you're putting your customers top of mind. Ultimately, rules and regulations differ by location and are often changing. If you have any other questions or want further guidance, please consult your company's legal counsel. And make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this text marketing series where we'll talk shop about building your subscriber list, targeting the right audiences, crafting messages that sell, and much more. Thanks for talking shop. I'll see you next time.